I'm David Lowe. I joined Matsuura a year ago and I head up the Muratec brand. Well, my history throughout, I'm a lathe man, and obviously bringing this to the party at Matsuura was important to them to grow this side of the business.
How important is it to have knowledge and technical expertise, and what extra does it give someone when they're buying a machine of such capability?
Well, I work in a technical pre-sales element, so I service and support the sales guys when they're trying to sell this kind of product. And obviously these products are complicated, so they need somebody who's previously been in applications, who has some managerial experience, who can sort of support the sales guys and obviously get these sales over the line.
And what's the first thing you look for when someone presents you with a project to see its suitability and viability for a machine of this style?
Well, the size and capacity of that component is important, and that determines whether or not we aim for a parallel spindle solution or we go to an opposing spindle solution as well. We do have both options.
And with a machine like this, you're clearly trying to reduce cycle times and improve the productivity. Where does your role fit, and how important is what you can offer help in this area?
Well, my experience on lathes is obviously why I joined this business. When I look at a component, we try and balance the operations out so you get the maximum out of the cycle time, and therefore that determines whether or not it's a parallel or an opposing spindle solution.
And working for Matsuura selling these machines, what's your day-to-day activity?
My day-to-day activity here is primarily pre-sales and sales support. I'm getting involved with the service department to build up procedures to sort of prepare and install these on a pre-delivery element, and I'm also supporting the application engineers as well to bring them up to speed with this kind of product.
And the Muratec product itself, how would you describe it? What's your thoughts on it since you've been working with it and of course selling these machines?
Well, the Muratec product is a very, very premium product. The company is enormous, and obviously the build quality of these machines is superior.
And who are they for? Who are they mainly aimed at?
Well, they're now aiming for all sectors. I mean, historically you would have gone into the sort of the automotive markets, but now medical and aerospace and even the subcontractor. These machines are built for versatility, which is why this new model behind us here has now got an increased Y-axis to give that versatility.
Okay. What would be your experience so far of what customers say about these machines once they're in?
Well, I mean, they are known for fit and forget. We don't repair them. They are built for volume, and they're built for short volume too. They're built for families of parts. The options are endless.